Hello friends, my name is Happy. Today we are going to learn how to use audio tag in HTML and CSS. So before I watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Or make sure you have watched my intro to HTML and intro to CSS videos. So now, open VS Code, click on File and Open Folder. Now click on Documents, right click, New Folder and name it Audio Tag HTML, CSS. Select folder, and now create a new file naming it index.html. And now I'm also going to press Ctrl V, which you see does nothing. Well, I'm going to get into it later. For now, just write HTML5. Once you've done that, I'm going to open up my file explorer, locate where I created the video and press Ctrl V. Now you see that I have a .wav file here. Now I'm going to write audio controls source src, stands for source, equals punch.wav, type equals audio/wav. Now what this does is it just allows us to play this audio, this WAV audio. Now before you watch this video, also make sure that you have the live preview extension installed. Now in this extension sync, search for live preview and it should appear at the top of the search results. What this allows you to do is that it allows you to preview your HTML file right in your browser. To do that, right click and then click on show preview, and then it's going to show a preview of your HTML file. So now that I've done this, I can play this, and then it is going to play this punching sound. Now I can reduce the volume or mute it, which is going to play nothing. But don't be scattering around just trying to find a .wav file. It also supports other formats like .mp4. If you want to do .mp4, write .mp4 and change this to punch.mp4. Or you can write punch.mp3 and type equals audio/mp3. But I'm just gonna stick to WAV. So anyways, now that we've got this, it looks pretty defaulty. This is the default audio sync. So whenever you use this tag, this is always what's going to pop up. So anyways, now create a style tag because we're going to be styling this in HTML. And also live preview, it also auto saves. Even if you haven't saved the file, it's going to save it automatically every single change you make. That is why you see it flashing like that. Now write audio translate for 60px 150px, and now border equals 5 pixels solid RGB 138, 69, 44. You're just going to give this brown border, but it doesn't align properly with the audio, so I'm going to write border radius 50 pixels. Now you see that aligns properly with the audio, and also give it a width of 500 pixels. A bit excessive if you ask me. So anyways, now all this does is give it a fancy cool border. But now, if you want to style this audio thing, that's right, audio, WebKit, media, controls, panel, not anel, and remove all this rubbish code. And instead of doing that, just write background color coral, which you see immediately changes its background color to coral. Now I can do this with whatever color you want, but I'm just gonna use coral since the line still goes with it. Copy this, paste, and change this from WebKit Media Controls panel to WebKit Media Controls play button, and change the background color to red, green, blue, 255, 213, 194. Give it a border radius of 100%. Which is going to make this play button to become light. Now press Ctrl V again and change this from WebKit Media Controls panel to WebKit Media Controls current time display. And now change this to background color RGB 255, 213, 194, 197, I mean. And then give it a border radius of 100%. Now you see that this thing now has color. Pretty cool, huh? So since this looks ugly, I'm going to change the color RGB 128, 69, 44. Make it darker. There we go. Now it's perfect. Now you might not see it. So, but if we change this to something like green, you're going to see it clearly. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then copy this, paste it, and then again change this to time, remove the current, change this to time remaining display, which is also going to change the color too of this. Of course, you can change the color to another thing, but I'm just going to change it to this. Anyways, I'm going to copy this, paste it, and change this to WebKit Media Controls. Instead of writing panel, I'm going to write timeline, background color coral. Anyways, I'm going to write border radius, border, like 10 px TX solid black. So anyways, I'm going to change this from black to RGB. I'm also going to give it a background color of RGB 7,38, 24. Now you see that this thing is now styled. The timeline is now styled, but it looks very ugly. So I'm going to change the background color from this RGB rubbish to plain coral. So anyways, I'm going to paste this and write media controls volume slider, which is basically just this. I'm going to change the background color to coral again. Anyways, let me make this a bit more brighter. Now you see, now we have this right here. And lastly, change the body to background color RGB 155,180,228, which makes this to be a nice light blue. And also create a H1 that says Audio Tag in HTML and CSS. And also write H1 text align center. But sadly, this is only experimental. It's not finished yet. So now copy this pass, this one's pass. Open up your browser. Paste the pass. And now you see that we have a fully completed and styled audio tag. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.